Hello, head teachers and school administrators. My name is Anita Namgenyi. I am a teacher and the founder of Little Readers Shine Enterprise, an organization that focuses on helping children develop strong reading and spelling skills through practical learning resources. Today, I want to introduce to you a program that I believe can make a real difference in your school. That is the Spelling Mastery Guide Toolkit. Many children struggle with reading and spelling because they don't receive enough systematic practice. And often, teachers lack the ready-made tools they need to teach reading and spelling effectively. That is why I created this Spelling Mastery Guide Toolkit, a digital ready-to-use program designed for schools. This spelling guide includes step-by-step weekly lessons on over 60 spelling rules and patterns. It includes daily practice activities from Monday to Friday. It includes QR codes linking to step-by-step video lessons to guide both teachers and the learners. It also includes engaging activities that help learners retain and apply what they have learned. So, this toolkit will give your teachers the support they need to teach spelling effectively, and it will help your learners build confidence in reading and writing. It's a downloadable PDF file with over 416 pages. You can download your copy today through the link below, or you can write to us in case you have any questions, and we shall be happy to assist you. Thanks for watching.